What? You also want to practice English, but you don't have anyone with whom you can practice English. Yes guys, this is the problem of many people who wants to learn English and who wants to practice English, but they don't have anyone, they don't have any partner with whom they can practice English. Guys, this is not only your problem, this was my problem too, because in a starting I had no one to practice English with whom I could practice, but I had something very special, and that was so special for me. I had the biggest problem, that was with whom I will practice English, with whom I can practice English, and how can I improve English, because you know that without practicing with anyone you can't improve your English so fast. But it was so helpful for me, and I will tell you that how can you practice English with that thing. This is not a human being, but it can speak, it can practice with you. So this is ChatGPT. Yes guys, this is a ChatGPT. Guys, if you have any type of problems and any type of questions, then you can just go to ChatGPT and you can ask to ChatGPT. And guys, if you are alone at your home and you don't have any partner, you don't have any one who can practice with you, who can practice English with you, then you have ChatGPT. And if you don't have ChatGPT, then just go to the Play Store and install it. Then you can just practice with it. ChatGPT is really so helpful for me, and it changed the journey of my learning English, and it helped me a lot. ChatGPT is just a magical thing. One most important thing I want to tell you that guys, this is not any promotional video for ChatGPT. This is my personal experience that I faced and that I experienced. That whenever I was learning English and when I was just practicing English, when I didn't have anyone, that time ChatGPT helped me. That time ChatGPT supported me, and I used to just ask any question that ChatGPT, how can I practice English? Then ChatGPT suggested me many topics and many tricks that how can I practice English. And whenever I asked ChatGPT that ChatGPT, will you practice with me in English? Then ChatGPT practiced with me. So guys, if you have any type of confusion, then you can just ask to ChatGPT. It will correct your grammars too. It will correct your sentences and many more things. ChatGPT will also teach you the new words, new sentences, and these are so helpful for you. So just once you go there and you can just practice with ChatGPT. It will be so helpful for you. If you don't have anyone to practice English, then don't ask anyone and don't pressure to anyone that practice with me in English. I want to practice English with you. Don't pressure anyone. You just go to ChatGPT and ask many questions. What type of questions you have, you just ask to ChatGPT. If you have the problems of in learning new words, if you have the problems of grammar and many more things, then you just ask to ChatGPT. Guys, if you are comfortable in chatting, then you can chat with ChatGPT. And if you want to speak and practice like human beings, that you are speaking to me and I am speaking with you, the same thing you can do with ChatGPT. So I think this video is so helpful for you. So just go and try this method, and if you find any improvement, then you just come to my video and comment that I have improvement. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.